Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can change currency in TokenPocket app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, to change currency in your TokenPocket app, all you need to do is simply tap open your app from your home screen. Once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do now is simply tap on the me icon on the bottom right hand side of the corner. Then simply tap on the settings option and go in the currency unit. After you tap on it, you can find different kinds of currencies listed in the drop down menu bar. So simply select any of the currency you want, and by following this step you can change the currency in your TokenPocket app as much as you like according to your preferences. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.